Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you advanced but simple ways to speed up your Windows 11. Follow carefully, and you'll notice a big difference right away. First, let's disable unnecessary startup apps. Right. Click on Taskbar. Click on Task Manager. This opens Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab and disable everything you don't need launching at boot. Less apps on startup means faster load time. Second, enable Ultimate Performance Mode. Click on Search in Taskbar. Control Panel. Choose Power Options, then select Ultimate Performance. This unlocks the maximum power plan. For faster responsiveness, third, clear out bloatware and background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and uninstall programs you don't use. Fourth, turn on Storage Sense and Disk Cleanup. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and enable Storage Sense. This automatically clears temp files, recycle bin, and update leftovers. Fifth, optimize visual effects for performance. Press Windows key plus R, type this on screen. Go to Advanced tab. Performance Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. If you still want it to look good, keep smooth edges and fonts enabled. This reduces GPU and CPU load. Follow all these steps, and your Windows 11 will run smoother, faster, and far more responsive. Try them today, and let me know in the comments how much performance you gained.